Do it again. She loves it. She loves getting kisses from you. Do it again. Ma, you're the best big brother. Do it again. Mike?
Yeah?
Are you so silly? Mike, do it one more time. Give her one more good kiss. No? You left? What are you doing? Kicking? You look like you're swimming. Lainey, ooh. Oh, you're kicking me.
Her bath is ready.
Okay. Ma, you want to give her one more kiss before she goes in the bathtub?
Yeah.
Okay, hurry up.